Hello and welcome to our in-depth crochet tutorial. Today we are going to embark on a step-by-step adventure to create the mesmerizing sunburst granny square. This beautiful piece of craftsmanship is not only easy to make, but also incredibly versatile, from a stylish bag to a cozy blanket or even an artistic pillow. The sunburst granny square fits perfectly into any creation. To make your crafting journey easier, I provided instructions for the entire crochet process at the top of the screen. Throughout the video, I'll be explaining the more complex steps of the process to make sure you have a clear understanding of each step. By using different colors of yarn, you can unleash your creativity and create a wide range of unique and stunning designs. On the whole, this crochet pattern is wonderfully straightforward, as it is comprised of 4 distinct rows. Each of these rows is represented by a different color in my pattern, making it simple to track your progress and master the design. Yarn over. Insert hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull in the loop until it reaches the height of the rest of the work. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pulling long loop. There are 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and make 3rd long loop. There are 7 loops on the hook. To bring all the loops together, wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through all the loops already on the hook. Make 1 chain to lock the puff stitch. Crochet 15 more puff stitches. There will be 16 puff stitches in total. Yarn over. Insert hook into space between two puff stitches and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the loops. This leaves two loops on hook. Repeat this 2 times more. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Chain to lock in the bobble stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the loops. This leaves 2 loops on hook. Repeat this 3 times. There are now 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. Chain to lock in the bobble stitch. Repeat the second bobble stitch 14 times more. Total 16 bobble stitches in 3rd round. Insert hook into space between two bobble stitches. Chain 3, crochet to DC in the same arch. In next space, work all of the following: 3 treble crochet, yarn over 2 times and insert hook in the space, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the loops, yarn over and pull through the loops, Yarn over and pull through the loops. Crochet to treble stitches more. Chain 2. Crochet in the same space 3 treble crochet. Crochet 3 DC in the next space. Crochet 3 half double crochet in the next space. Repeat all 4 steps 3 more times.